If you're trying to manage the finances in your business, using a cash management system is incredibly important. And even beyond that is working with a banking system that really supports your business. Now, a system we use and we recommend to a lot of our clients is Relay Financial. And today I'm going to tell you 3 ways that using Relay Financial can help you manage the money in your business better. Hey everyone, Craig here. I'm a profit coach who loves helping small business owners break the check-to-check cycle so they can finally find some peace of mind when it comes to their money. Now, Relay Financial is an online banking system that helps you manage your business finances. One thing we love about it is it really works well with the Profit First system that we teach our clients. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways that Relay Financial can help you manage your money better. The first thing I love about it is it allows you to have multiple bank accounts. In fact, Relay lets you have, I believe, up to 20 accounts for no fees at all. Now, the reason we're huge fans of this is because we use the Profit First system. Profit First is a money management system that teaches you to use multiple bank accounts to manage your finances. So our clients typically are using anywhere from 5 to 10 accounts at any given time to have more clarity on where their money is going. Now, Relay Financial really makes this easy. In fact, they are partnered with Profit First as of this recording, and so they know the system really well, and they make it incredibly simple and easy to manage. When you log in, you can simply see the names of your accounts. It's laid out perfectly for you. You can add accounts just with a few clicks of a button. It's as simple as clicking Add Account, typing in a nickname, choosing whether you want it to be a checking account or a savings account, and deciding which team members you want to have access to this account, and then you can hit Create Account. That is it. Then right here you can see we have a new payroll account. Few clicks of the button, you can add as many accounts as you want. We love this because sometimes we're working with a client and they have a short-term goal that they're trying to save for. And we say, hey, why don't we open up this extra account and start putting money aside to that? Maybe a client pays you up front for the year and you don't want to get that money mixed up with all your other funds. We can always open up an extra account that you can just slide those funds into. The second way that Relay can help you manage your money is through their automatic transfer function. Now, with Profit First, we move money from our income account to these other accounts. We have our profit, tax, owner's pay, operating expenses. So we're moving from income to those other accounts. And usually we're doing that based on percentages. So for a long time, if you're using any other bank, then what you're doing is you're logging in manually and you're doing the calculations. You're saying, okay, I have $10,000 sitting in here. So 10% of that, we're going to move to here. We're going to figure out what 25% of that is. And you're doing all this math trying to transfer these things around. Now, it's not hard to do. You can have a spreadsheet that helps you out. That's what our clients have always used in the past. But what I do love is Relay does it automatically. So over here on the left, you just click Auto Transfer Rules. Now there's 2 ways that you can go about this. You can say, I'm going to move money until we hit a certain amount in that checking account. So if I hit maximum amount, we're going to say every week on Monday, we're going to keep a certain amount in your income account. So let's just say you want to keep $1,000 in your income account. So we're going to say, I want to keep $1,000 in my income account. And then we're going to automatically transfer the excess to any other account we want. We can add as many accounts. We can change these percentages. We could say I want to put 50% into owner's pay. I want to put 35% into operating expenses. And we're going to create a nickname. It's going to be weekly moves. And boom, you set up you click create auto transfer, and it's going to automatically start moving that money around for you. Now here you can see we made a mistake. It didn't add up to 100%. So let's just say it's 50-50. All right. So then it's going to start moving. If there's less than $1,000 in this account, it's not going to move anything. If there's $1,500, then it's going to keep $1,000 in income. It's going to move $250 into owner's comp, $250 into operating expenses. Now, the most common one we're going to use is this Profit First rule. And that's what I was just talking about with moving those percentages. Very similar, except for it automatically gives you some of these enough accounts to transfer into. You can still do the keep a certain amount in your account if you want to, but it's already going to have it filled out with the extra 5 accounts, the one that you're moving money out of, and then the accounts that you're moving money into. The third and final reason I love Relay for managing your finances is that it allows you to add accountants, bookkeepers, or coaches as users in your business banking. Now, on top of that, you can add team members. So if you have somebody managing the finances in your business, you can add them, give them certain levels of access depending on how much accessibility you want them to have inside of your bank. But when we come down here to team, you can come over here to advisors, and we can add a new advisor. This could be somebody you're working with. If you have a CPA that you want to be able to get access to your stuff, if you're working with a bookkeeper bookkeeper who you want to be able to pull their own statements so you don't have to upload them for them, you can do that. So you're going to plug in their email, and then you can choose what level of accessibility are they going to get. Super administrator is going to be basically like you. They're going to have access to anything and everything. They can charge, they can add cards, they can do whatever they want. If you want them to only be able to read statements and do those things, then read only is probably the route you want to go. Now, when we work with clients in Relay, when they add us to here as a read-only member, it's fantastic because what we can do is we can help monitor their bank accounts with them. So as we are helping them get their money management going, if we're wanting to make sure, are these percentages working? We can help monitor those accounts, make sure that nothing is getting too high, nothing's getting too low, and that they're really in that sweet spot. Utilizing tools to help you manage your money is essential in business. We know as the business owner, you're busy, you are working all the time. And so something like Relay Financial is fantastic for that. Now, we have done a full deep dive tutorial and review of Relay, so I'm going to go ahead and link that right here. I suggest you go watch that if you want to learn more about how to use it and give it a shot. Go sign up. It's really quick because they don't have a brick and mortar. You can typically open your account the same day, really quickly, very little work on your side. Let us know what you think. Are you using Relay? Are you using a bank that does a similar function? Drop in the comments box below, and we will see you next week.